everyone! I'm excited to share with you about service learning. Service learning forms an intersection between campus and community. We are here to make genuine strides towards Missouri State University's public affairs mission. We also provide a place for students to develop the skills they learn in their courses. Our service learning program is well known for its innovative and effective approach. There are close to 11,000 students that enroll in a service learning course each year at MSU. Service learning is a great way to take steps towards your career, all while earning a course credit. In this course, you have the option to enroll in 1 credit service learning. The concept behind this is that your work will connect you with what you learn in the classroom by providing you with real-world experiences. To receive credit, you will complete 40 hours over the course of the semester with a not-for-profit or a public agency. Service learning is like a mini internship, where you will gain experience in a unique and enriching way. We have in-person or online options, meaning that you could easily complete your work remotely if that's the best fit for you. Only 40 hours are required, which is about 3 to 4 hours a week over an entire semester. The benefits you gain and the connections you make are well worth your time. The development of career skills is a leading benefit of completing a service learning course. Our programming allows you to get involved with a community partner, opening doors and creating opportunities through specialized experiences, projects, and more. Through this hands-on work, you will gain skills in critical thinking, communication, teamwork, and civic responsibility. One of the biggest complaints of college graduates is that every job expects experience. But how are you supposed to gain experience without experience? Service learning is the answer. You can make yourself much more marketable by participating. It will build up your resume with legitimate job experience, relevant projects, and vital life skills. Service learning can pave the way to your future. In the professional world, it's not just what you know, but who you know. Networking can be a very powerful tool when seeking a job, and service learning provides the ideal atmosphere for you to do just that. You will meet with community members, work with locally prominent figures, gain organizational context, and add your name to important community projects. If you put the work in, service learning will absolutely reward you. Service learning not only helps you learn your course content, but also helps you develop your passions. Completion of a service learning course can help establish graduate school opportunities, post-education pursuits, and more. In addition to having a positive impact on society, service learning helps you develop critical thinking skills, communication abilities, career options, and leadership potential, all skills that prospective employers are looking for. They want to know that you've had experiences that align with your passions, which service learning provides. Service learning can help develop your cultural IQ and prepares you to be a more informed citizen in your community. Results from research studies on service learning also show that students who complete 1 credit service learning courses are more likely to be involved in their community long term. This is another job strength that prospective employers like to see, something that sets you apart from other applicants. Service learning is the primary vehicle for Missouri State University's public affairs mission of ethical leadership, cultural competence, and community engagement. In service learning, you are not only talking the talk, but walking the walk. For your 1 credit service learning course connected to this class, here are just a few of the potential placement opportunities for your service learning experience. Your 40 hours of experience might include work with any number of other organizations where your passions are an important aspect of serving their clients. This past year, when social distancing became a priority, our office determined that service learning knows no boundaries. Opportunities provided by our many community partners allowed our students to gain experience through remote or isolated work such as research and advocacy. To enroll in a 1 credit service learning course or to find out more about service learning, please visit our website at missourustate.edu/CASL, or you can contact us directly at servicelearning@missourustate.edu. Whatever your career aspirations or degree program, our advisors can assist you with questions about enrollment, placement, and more. Just visit our website to find the advisor that meets your needs. Your advisor will happily guide you through your service learning journey. We are thrilled for you to join us. Service learning is a great way for you to make your Missouri statement.